Welcome back. This is Peter from iSharp, and today we are going to do a serrated, Nella Style serrated knife on the Work Sharp with the blade grinding attachment. So I don't have an ideal setup for doing serrated knives, bread knives. However, generally speaking, bread knives don't need a lot to sharpen them. This one here is a single-edged bread knife, meaning it's or a single bevel, meaning it's flat on this side, and the cutting bevel is on this side. So we're going to sharpen the inside of the bevel first. And to do that, we're going to, because the belt goes this way, we're going to have it so the cutting edge is facing up. We're going to have it on an angle, and we're just going to, let's see if you can see it from this angle better, but we're going to just run it on an angle in and out of each bevel. And then once we go one direction, we're going to go the other direction. Should form a little bit of a burr on the flat side of the knife. Then we'll simply take it off quick, and that's pretty much it for sharpening a knife like this for the setup I have. Another thing you can do, if you have a rotary tool with the appropriate size stone, you can go in each scallop and form a burr, and then on the back of this kind of zip it off. That works really well. I've seen other knife sharpening people on YouTube do it that way. I don't have that tool. So we're going to use this tool. So let's see where we're at. Actually, not bad, to be honest. Kind of better than I was expecting. But let's give it a little tune up and see how it turns out. All right, here we go. Okay, you can see it shined it up a little bit inside there. And there's definitely a burr on the back of the knife. So we could do one of two things. We could just give it a zip on the work sharp, or we could actually use the honing rod, but I think I'm going to, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll just give it a zip on the work sharp. think that's got it. Could probably use a little more work, but honestly, I'm pretty pleased with that. And it's really that quick. Like I said, bread knives don't need a lot of work. It's not, number one, they don't usually get used as much as a chef knife or a boning knife, generally speaking, in my experience. And if they do, they're usually cutting bread, which is, well, mind you, you get crusty bread. That could dull the knife a little bit. But anyway, with the tools that I have, that's how I sharpen a serrated knife. I simply angle the blade, get inside the scallops, and then the other way, form a burr on the back of the knife, give it a little zip, and that usually does the trick. So there you have it, folks. That's how you sharpen a bread knife with the Work Sharp Ken Onion knife and tool sharpener and the blade grinding attachment. There you have it, and I'll see you in the next video.